With beautiful water views and generous spaces, this second-floor carriage home is perfect for your new Florida home. The property features stainless appliances, wood flooring, 2 bedrooms plus large den, 2.5 baths, and an open floor plan. The unit is bright with lots of windows that show off the lush landscaping of Portofino. Located just north of the Whole Foods complex and the Twins Stadium, you are close to all retail, entertainment and restaurants. If you like to walk, jog, or bike, you will love the bike trails along 6 Mile Cypress and the 6 Mile Cypress Preserve. And #XD and #SAW, Portofino offers a clubhouse, pool, and exercise room for the residents to enjoy.